Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to transfer money from Gate.io to AscendEX. The first thing you will need to do if you want to transfer money from Gate.io to AscendEX is to go over to Gate.io and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to the top right and go over to Wallet. Here you will need to click on the withdrawal button. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. You'll now need to select the coin you want to transfer. In this case, I'll select Algorand. You'll then need to select the chain you want to use for your withdrawal. I can't choose between any chains, but if you have to choose between certain chains, I recommend you do a quick Google search on which chain to use. Once you have selected the coin and the chain you want to use, the next thing you will need to do is to scroll down and fill in the address of your coin. To find this address, you need to go over to AscendEX and then go over to Wallet. Here you'll need to go to Cash Account. Over on this page, you will see all the tokens you're holding. The next thing you need to do is to go over to the search bar and search for the coin you want to transfer. In this case, that's Algo. You'll then need to click on the deposit button. Over on this page, you will see your Algorand deposit address. So just click on the copy button and then go back over to Gate.io. What you want to do now is to paste your address in. You can choose to add a description to your address, but this isn't necessary to do. The next thing you need to do is to fill in the amount of coins you want to withdraw. At the moment I don't have the balance to withdraw Algorand since most of my value is invested in labs, but the process will still work the same. So once you have filled in the amount of coins you want to withdraw, you'll now need to go ahead and fill in your fund password. If you don't remember your fund password, you can watch this video I've made on how to reset your fund password. Once you have filled in your fund password, you'll now need to fill in the email code. To get this code, you need to click on the Send Email Code button. If you have the Google Authenticator enabled, you will also need to fill in your one-time password generated in the Google Authenticator app. Once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, the last thing you need to do is to click on Submit Request. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.